Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing a blue and holographic glitter nail, and it's a very exciting set, so stay tuned. So I'm going in with my alpha brush. This is a new brush and it's a number 9 oval kolinsky brush. I have a love and hate relationship with this brush. Love because it does take up the right amount of product that I need, but I don't know if I did something wrong, but the tip of it keeps opening up and I am accustomed to my brush laying flat and it's not laying flat, so sometimes I find it very difficult to pick up products. So here I'm just trying to flatten the brush as much as possible, but it did not get flat, so I just worked with it anyways. So I just wanted to show you guys this new brush that I'm working with from Alpha. So I'm going in with the Q-Touch Triple Pink Powder, and I'm using this as my nail bed area color. Also on my pointer, I'll be using this on my full nail. So I went in with my first bead and I'm just blending that downwards toward the tip. And I'm putting my second bead right below that first bead and I'm just blending it downwards, and there was a little bit too much product there, so I just took it off at the end. And I'm trying to keep the shape as close as possible to the shape of the nail so that I don't have much filing to do in the end. So I'm going in with my cuticle bead here, and I'm trying as much as possible not to get the acrylic on the cuticle, and I'm just blending that into the other acrylic. So I do go in and I apply as much beads as possible. This bead right here, I just use this to blend and build up my apex area. On my pinky, this will be a faded nail with the pink and the holographic glitter. So I'm just applying the pink up towards where my nail bed area is, and later on I'll come back with the chunky holographic glitter towards the end. My thumb is the same as the pinky. I'm going in with the nail bed area, and then later on I'll come back in with that chunky holographic glitter towards the end. Alright, so I'm going in with the Glamour Nails Clear Acrylic Powder, as well as this bright blue from that glitter collection, and this is a holographic glitter that I'll be working with. Again, I'm showing you guys the brush hole that I had to switch my brush because I was having a difficult time with my first one. So on my ring finger, I'll be building this up with the clear only, and the ring finger will be a sugar nail, so I'm using a clear base for that. Alright, so now I'm going in with the chunky glitter, and I'm just building that up and feeding it upward towards the pink acrylic that was there before. And I'm just trying to make it as compact as possible so that you're not seeing much of a transparent base beneath it. My pointer is a fade with the chunky glitter from the cuticle area downward, and the tip will be clear. So I'm just laying my glitters, then later on I'll come back in and I will encapsulate everything. So I'm going with the same crystal clear from Glamour nails, and I'm just going over all the nails that I applied glitter, and I'm encapsulating those. Okay, so I did file buff and shape off camera, and now I'm going in with this IBD hard gel. This hard gel will be acting as a base for me to throw the glitter on top so I can create my sugar nail. So I'm just using my gel brush, and I'm using a small amount of that hard gel, and I'm being careful around the cuticle area not to get it on the skin, and I'm just swiping that downward. Now I'm going in with that glitter, and I'm just pouring it on top of the nail, and I'm using my other finger to pat that in where I see any sparse area so that it can be compact. So I do go in and I cure that for 60 seconds. On my pointer, I'm going in with this foil. I did apply my star glue as a base so that it dried down a little, and then I go in with this foil, this transfer foil rather, and I'm just pressing that in, and then I'll lift it off to reveal the design. So I'm using the IBD Intense Seal gel top coat, and I love this top coat. It's a no wipe gel top coat, so it's LED and UV. It can be used with a LED or a UV lamp. So I'm going in, and this just brings the glitters to life. I apply that to all my nails, and I cure that for 90 seconds. I also add some to the base of the nail so that the nail can have this glossy look. go in and I cure that for 90 seconds, apply my cuticle oil, and this is the finished result, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.